What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Welcome back to another awesome video. That guy kind of scared me a bit. Looks like this is your PIDS. Um. Okay, so 610 platform one. I don't know where that is, but stopping at Mitcham, Blackwood, Bel Air, Mount Lofty, Aldgate, Bridgewater, Balhannah, Mount Barker Junction, Littlehampton, Mount Barker, Philcox Hill, Bugle Ranges, Camels, Strathline, Sandra Grove, Fince, Gilberts, Currency Creek, Goolwa, Middleton, Port Elliot, Victoria Harbour. And there's your train arrivals down there. On platform 10, 7:30, Mount Gambier, Loxton, Wilkerry, Kingston. From platform 11, arriving to platform 11, it's the 9 a.m. service from Melbourne. Tail and Bend, 11:25, Victoria Harbour, 11:35, so on and so forth. The 5:48 from platform number. Alright, let's go for a little walk down. The reason why I terminated that vlog, the last one, a bit early, because it's first number one, it's already reached the 20-minute mark. Number two, if I record over 20 minutes, the upload time will take longer. So that's why this is kind of like a part 2 type thing. Seven. Model Railway. So I'm not leaving for the Aviation Museum yet. Wow, look at this. Look at all the trains they have. Watch as this little guy around the bend. Hold on, there's 3 trains out and about. Amazing. So this is like a censored floor, so if there's no one in here, it'll turn off. If there's someone in here, it will go on. This is actually a good way to save power. Actually, just wait for someone. Guys, see, you can do that trivia. Can you find the water tower? There's something that's missing on the tennis court. The 2 fencing in the shade, the railway office and barracks, the turntable, the diesel locomotive being painted, and the blue mobile crane. Comment down below if you can find those things. A pan, and you guys comment down below if you can see it. Just saying the tennis court is down here. Looks like this is a Chao Kauri station. Really good exhibition. And entering the outback. So you've got some carriages here. And on to our next location. Let's go. It's just like a mock-up. Safe work. Australian National Loco. and this is round for that little train where it loops round to Carrington Station. You've got some shipping containers and bulldozer. I think this is a turnstile. Still works. DE91. So, turns out there's actually a back part to the museum. Australian National Loco. And then this is your, I think it's your Adelaide Metro train, which have been replaced. 2006 and 2112. This is CB1. And let's have a look inside here. Oh, cereal. The train's on the other side, so this sort of gives me time. So, should be coming through there soon, and we'll just wait for it. I know in the last vlog I said I didn't want to film this train four times, just going round. Ooh, it's 11:05. I don't know what that's meant to be, but the train should be coming down the line now. It's not a really long circuit, hence why it does two loops. Interesting. Okay, let's go inside the second warehouse and see what they have on display. Oh god! Comment down below if you have been on 2112 or 2006 before. Oh, I have to walk. Wow. Would you look at that? 3 steam locos. 34. Being the closest to the camera. Look at these points. And this is your normal sleeper and your Comment down below if you know what these are, because I want to know. It's a little tractor thingy. Comment down below if you know what that is. Looks like it's got something to do with cleaning the rails. A bit. Oh God. And we'll just, because I think the train's going to do a second loop shortly, so we'll wait for that train to come back around. You can hear it on the rails actually. Ah, found you. Again. Looks like he's stopped up there. I believe the driver just wanted to have a breather or something. So it's kind of cool to see that there is one train operating, carrying people around the yard. Okay, now that's got me thinking. Should I go for a quick ride around the depot so I can show you guys, or we'll see. So this is part 2. Part 2 is ending because the train's going to go back around to the station, Carrington Station, where we'll wait some minutes and then we'll go on another loop. So yeah, so just walking along next to, or kind of next to 2012 and 2112 and 2006, and these are the old Adelaide Metro rolling stock. So comment down below if you've been on one of them before it was withdrawn. Well, I'm talking about these two sets, these two carriages in particular. And yeah. So yep, so part 2 is coming to an end, guys. And like I said, I'll see you guys, I guess, wherever I film, whatever I film, I'll make sure to film it. So see you guys later.